Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis over the past couple of days, including on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And overall, the chart is kind of calmed down here a little bit, and I don't say that in a bearish sense or any sort of negative light, but I mean, you look down here at the volume, and while volume has sure dropped off quite a bit, again, not the end of the world, but definitely something you want to keep an eye on. I mean, because let's just keep it real. A lot of people that are trading these sorts of stocks, they have very short attention spans. And if something else starts moving, and I'm not saying they're wrong for doing so, but hey, look, that's moving, and this money that I have here is just sitting still. I want to go put my money into something that's moving. So you don't want to see volume remain too low for too long because, like I said, that's just going to cause people to get distracted and then go and potentially play other stocks that are moving. But like I said, 1 or 2 days of very low volume, not the end of the world, but just something to keep an eye on. So watch that volume as the next couple of days play out on the week here. But as far as levels of support, nothing new to report from the previous videos I've done. Still have the purple line right here, which on my chart denotes the very famous, the very well-known 50-period moving average, and the price is doing a good job of staying up above there. But then you also have the green line right there, which I've talked about in past videos, and that level is valued right around $1.55. So from the support side of things, like I said, yeah, volume was low, but by no means is any of this negative because overall, the price is still doing a good job of just continuing to consolidate and build those higher bases, which is what matters. Now, on the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance, I do want to get this area added in because I'm very curious about this downwards trend line here because this is definitely representing the selling pressure that has basically shown up for the past day and a half. Now, I get it. Just saying selling pressure is one thing, but that's why I love charts because they help you to take words and then help visualize them. So when I say selling pressure, what I actually mean from that from a visualization sake is you can see the price has just slowly drifted further and further downwards. So that combined with a lower volume, like I said, I'm not saying this thing's getting ready to crash, but just a couple of little dynamics that you want to keep in mind going forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.